I didn't even blend out my contour yet on my nose. But this nose is snatched, okay? Wow. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bella's Beauty. If you guys are interested to see how I get this super cute, I don't even know what to call it. It's like tropical, it's like festive, it's like carnival, all types of stuff. Whatever you want to call this pretty orange, blue, whatever the hell this is look. We are so close to our 5,000 subscribers giveaway, guys. I think we only have like a little bit less than 100 more subscribers to go, but I'm really excited. But if you guys want to see how I get this look from start to finish, just keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I'm going to use this as my eyelid primer today. I was using this for a while back in the day, but I stopped using it. But I'm just using a concealer brush to pack that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to go with my yellow color from my ZULU palette from Juvia's place. This is a BH Cosmetics blending brush, and I'm just going to use that to pack on this pigment to both of my eyelids. Next, I'm going to go into this orange color. This is a crease brush from Morphe. I'm going to tag everything below, of course. Now I'm going in with the brown from the ZULU palette. I'm just using that in my crease to give it a little more definition. Next, I'm going to go in with my orange again on top of the brown to make a gradient. Then at the very top, I'm going to go in with that yellow that we used first. I'm using the Age Rewind concealer again with the flat brush. This is from Crown Brushes, I believe. I'm going to tag everything, of course, and then I'm using this to cut my crease. This is the most tedious part of this. I'm using a small liner brush from Real Techniques to define my crease with the pink color out of the ZULU palette. Now I'm going to take a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush to pack yellow, then orange, and then pink onto my negative space. Next, I'm going to use this. It's gold, honestly. It looks white, but I'm going to use this glitter pigment to create a gradient on the yellow and the orange shadow. I'm taking the Vivid Brights eyeliners in lime green and pink to do my negative space in my crease, and then an NYX blue liner to create a wing. Next, I'm just going to do my eyebrows. I kind of sped through this part because I've done my eyebrows 1,000 times. These lashes are 0.25 millimeter 3D Mink lashes from FaithfullyMinkLashes. Use code BELLA20 for money off. Next, I'm going to just go through my foundation. Today, I mixed the Fenty and my Maybelline Superstay foundation. Don't ask me why I did that. I don't know. And I'm going to take the same concealer that I used on my eyes to highlight and contour. Next, I'm just going to use my blending brush. You guys have seen me do this 1,000 times. I'm just using this brush to blend out my foundation and concealers. I'm going to take my Maybelline setting powder and set my makeup. Following that, I'm going to use this blue color from my Juvia's Place palette and also the orange color to create a gradient underneath my eye. Next, I'm going to take this yellow sparkly color out of my Masquerade palette, I think that it was, and use that as my highlight. I'm taking that same glitter pigment and put it in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to use my lip injection as my lip plumper. This is World Liner from MAC and Huda Beauty's Trendsetter liquid lipstick. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video with me. I know it wasn't a talk through, but I really didn't have an idea of what I was going into before I filmed this. That's why I did it one at a time, and that's why I didn't talk through it, because I had no idea what look I was going for. So thank you guys for tuning in this week for another makeup tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.